Am I audible? Good evening, everyone. Today is 28th of June, 2020. Am I audible? Yes. And the screen is visible, loud and clear. Okay. Okay. All right. So how are you guys doing? How? Uh, Good evening, everyone. So how are you all doing? Right? How is it going in the lockdown? Um, how are you all? What is, how are you feeling? What are you thinking about right now? क्या सोच रहे हो आप लोग? क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? My name, I'm Dr. Seema Jain. कुछ नहीं, कुछ तो चलना चाहिए ना. See, you have to right now when how to earn a living after this lockdown. Aren't you worried about right now? अभी कैसे living earn करनी है? Aren't you worried about that as well? Finally, एक काम जो घर से कर सकते हैं. Absolutely. Just want to survive and earn wealth. See, survival definitely should be your aim, but I'm watching your YouTube videos and Acha, before I go on, where all have you joined? Where did you come across StockPro? Hi, Jagdish. Hi, everyone. Only English, please. I will try because there are North Indians as well, so I will have to be, both, languages I have to use. So please tell me where all have you joined? So of course, a lot of Telegram people, but anywhere else you have I always follow you guys on Telegram. Thank you. This is Anubhav Singh. Telegram, Telegram. Anybody from Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube? You are a big fan, Sagar. Thank you so much. Rizwan is from YouTube and Jaya Babu Bala is from YouTube. Kunal Parekh is also from YouTube. Okay. So if you are from YouTube, please join my Telegram channel. And this is what I'm showing you from my Telegram channel. The code that you see on my screen. Are you being able to see this? Twitter and YouTube. Okay. So see, be present. If you are just coming from somewhere else, like you, if you're not on my Telegram, I would like you people to be on my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. You can just here. You can just take it, or you will get it in the description box. One of the greatest teacher of stock market. Thank you so much. I'm a teacher. I'm a born teacher. Like by birth, I'm a teacher. So teaching is in my blood. So this is the official channel. If you are coming from somewhere else, like YouTube or Twitter or anywhere, join here because this is where I'm live almost the whole day. हाँ, बिल्कुल हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी. That's what I planned today. Because the topic that I'm covering is going to be a very important one. So please join this. And I'm live here, like giving you best of the trades in the morning since morning. And then we get these updates, right? These are the updates about, Dow future. You can see every 30 minutes, you will get the Dow future, right? So like you can see here, it's slowly, gradually increasing, Dow future, right? Then decreasing. So you get these live updates over here and you get the live stocks from me, right? And only thing that I can say that I don't know how is the accuracy you find, but I feel I'm sure you must be on other channels as well, and you must be watching the performance of other channels. How are they performing, what they do, and how they do. So I want you people to really evaluate the stocks, and then you can, think about it, whether you should be here or not. I don't know how you find the stocks that I give on the in the live market. Did anyone follow me for the stocks that I give? I am June batch student, ma'am, and I'm as a previous recorded videos. 8 seconds. Rahul Kumar, June batch. June batch is just going on, right? That's great. Okay, I don't know. Huh. Earn profits too. Good. And always do. No, madam, new to the stock market. Uh, I new to stock market and amateur. Can you please make a video? So I've made a lot of videos. No sound. Is there no sound? Yes, I actually made a loss. In what stock? Viraj, what will be your advice if someone is new and want to invest? PFC. When was that? मैम प्लीज आज लॉट साइज के बारे में बताइए. ओके, लॉट साइज तो सिंपल, इट इज बेसिकली आज का टॉपिक है अबाउट सेक्टर्स. हाउ शुड यू नो अबाउट सेक्टर्स, राइट? दैट्स द टॉपिक टुडे. सो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. The future does not exist in future, rather it is born only through our actions in present. And if we want to realize something in the future, we must take action towards it. So that is why I wanted to, ask you guys that you have to take actions right now. If you want to really, transform your life, you have to take actions right now. So somebody was asking my name. Let me present myself. I'm Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IIT Delhi. And I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst and chief mentor and founder at StockPro. Also, I'm partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires, and Astha Trade. So, and please be present. These are the ways you can follow me on the Telegram. This is the website, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or whatever, wherever you want to follow me, right? So, Gaurav, I'm a student. I usually invest my savings, say 2K a month. Should I join your course now? Should I wait till I start earning? See, you can make a choice. Why? Because I always feel the earlier you can enter the market, the more time will be on your side, right? So I've been following you. This is Shiva Prasad. I'm saying that I've been following you since 2 months. Your calls are way better. Okay. Hello, ma'am. I inquired about your course. I follow you on Telegram also. Which the calls you gave are really great, but my capital does not allow me to buy. No, don't need to buy one lot. You just buy a few. See, you can buy equivalent cash stocks, right? I request you kindly make a special dedicated channel for newbie so that we can start learning. So see, for as far as your learning thing is concerned, you can be on my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. And we have posted everything, like even our course is freely available. Only thing, how do you apply that and earn money? That is what I teach. Everything. I mean, sometimes we don't even post our videos because I follow these videos that I have made, right? This green and orange thing that you see, these are the videos that I follow, and I tell my members to, go through these. And in fact, I go in a sequence to explain them. But how do you make money out of it? That's what I do. Right? Please make learning video on YouTube. See, these are about 1,000 videos. Nobody does this kind of work, the kind of work I have done, right? You just Google anything out here. You will find very thoroughly researched videos, right? Even to my students who joined paid, I ask them to Google it, search it, sorry. So we have 2 videos. You can check anything that you want. 𝐻𝐼𝐶. Sorry. 𝐻𝐼𝐶. You will get the videos. So everywhere, you have these specially made videos, right? You will be able to figure out. Just give me a second. Hold it a second. They are very, very good. Wait a sec, guys. Wait a sec. Ma'am, please provide more calls in the future on Telegram. I'm new in stock market. Which share should I invest? Please suggest. See, I do not want you to be dependent on me to decide which stock to be selected and invested. I want you to be independent. Will there be any upcoming live trading session in equity cash market? So equity cash market is basically is a different ball game altogether. The way we select is actually end of the day. So sometime you do, yeah, we will. We're planning next coming week. The coming week we are planning. So, ma'am, I have been seen around 200 learning videos, but I need to know which is the best GAN level app you are using. So even that you will find here. I have made everything available for you guys. But if you happen to pay attention, you will find it. Right. So I find this GAN level application called support and resistance. Right. If you go here, you will be able to see that I have made a video. No, this is about the GAN level. But if you, I have made some videos on how do you, there is an application called, Android application called support and resistance, right? You can do it from there. So I don't think so. मैं अपने topic पे आज जा पाऊंगी. I am answering your questions only. I inquired about your course because you are really accurate, but my capital does not allow me to buy. ठीक है. So you can do in the same stock, you can do cash. I request you to kindly make a special dedicated channel so that we can start learning practically. See, practically learning के लिए तो मैंने यहाँ सब दे रखा है. But अगर आपको, you know, like you want to be mentored in the stock market, then we have these paid programs. Really helpful to learn from your videos. Thanks a lot. Now, a green Marubuza show bullish trend. Of course. Ma'am, are you planning to conduct any webinar on options? See, it's a part of this program only. In this program, if you, the one we are doing right now, it's called it's called Smart Money Multiplier. It has 3 parts. One part is positional trading. Then second part is option selling, and the third part is intraday. So all this covers almost all the aspects of stock market. Do you have any kind of playlist for the beginners? So we have made some playlist. You can check it on the channel, and we'll make further new playlist. But you can start from video number 1 onwards. Please upload videos of live session. We are working hard. So we have uploaded. See, we have uploaded all the videos that we conduct in the live session. So these are, you know, recording of live market. You can see here. These are the 3 videos. ये भी live market है, right? All these videos are our live trading session. So there's nothing hidden. We don't like to hide anything. See, this is a live trading session. This is a live trading session. So I think आपने मेरा channel या तो देखा नहीं है अभी. We have everything posted here, right? All the live trading sessions have been posted here. I started watching your videos. This is Lakshmi Narayan from past 1 week. It's really good. Thank you so much for providing those valuable videos. Thank you, Lakshmi. Can you put name of that Android app in the Telegram? So I will right now show you the app's name. I'll just tell you here. The name is Support and Resistance. Support and Resistance. This is the app, right? This is the app in which you can find out GAN levels. Just, you know, I don't know, I'm not finding that video here, but I have made a video on how do you really calculate using that app. It's very simple. Just go to the app, go to the GAN levels, and put the value that you want to calculate the GAN level. And GAN level do not change, right? These are mathematical calculations. So opening price or closing price or any price will not change it, right? So just put the value wherever you are and it will give you the levels. Okay? So I don't think so it's here. Okay. Okay. So how to decide cash levels for FNO stocks you give on the free channel? So basically, I haven't opened my trading channel. It's just 1 or 2 points. You can put both of them together. Both the graphs you can put together, and this moment basically, you know, the high of the candle is broken, you can take the same value. So they basically in tandem only. The course is available, but making money is something I teach separately. These are just the fundamentals, which you will find in all over the YouTube, which you will find all over the place. But My students who are running big channels are also gone through this course, but they cannot produce the kind of trades we produce, the ones who are running. So getting the accuracy requires some fine tuning, like that is done in the live market. So a lot of factors are considered, when we give stocks, a lot of factors are considered, and then we give the stocks, and that is how, money can be made. What's your view about the market this week? I have no idea. Ma'am, upcoming days, market bullish or bearish? No idea, no my idea at all. But what I was talking to, one of my team member, and I got to hear that a lot of rollover on the sell side have taken place for this month. So I don't know. Maybe market will hit some low and then bounce back from there. I don't know. Is there EMI option facility? Yes, definitely. Siddesh, ma'am, can you please tell about how to select position stocks by price action? So I have told you, see, मैं इस 1 घंटे के webinar में, it's very difficult to tell you all, but over a period of time I have tried to give my analysis. Like अभी आपने थोड़े दिन पहले देखा होगा, मैंने आपको ये वाला वीडियो बनाया था कि sectors, right? About sectors, and I have given a few stocks to you guys, right? If you notice, I have given you some stocks. You can check what is the price of those stocks, right? मैंने पूरा इसका ये भी बनाया था, ये देखो, ये वाला था. I have given Chambal fertilizer above 145, Rashtriya Chemical buy above 47, SPIC above this, Deepak fertilizer buy above 115. You can check it also what happened to them. So I mean, पूरा analysis मैंने आपको करके दिखाया है कि क्यों मैंने ये select किए हैं, right? Why particular stock has been selected, right? Chambal fertilizer, I have given it 47. It gave 5 points, which is roughly about 3 to 4%. And if you get 3 to 4%, it's a good return, not bad return at all. Rashtriya Chemical, that also moved, but see, when I give it, it simply means that for a rush, so it made a high of 49.4, right? And still it is almost at the cost price only. That it's just at the cost price only. SPIC and SPIC. Southern Petrochemical. Look at the आपके सामने है सारा. कहाँ दिया था मैंने आपको buy? 18 पे दिया था, right? Where does it stand? It has made a high of 22.5. 4 points का move यहाँ पे कहीं पे था ये stock, right? इस जगह पे था 18 पे. 18 to 22.5 means 4 रुपए का move, almost like कितने % हो गया move? 20% move हो गया, right? I use Zerodha and I use IFL. दो मेरे brokers हैं which I use, but I have accounts in all of them. Deepak fertilizers, so none of them, so this I did with Deepak fertilizers. So this is what I did with sectorial analysis. I've given a buy above 115, made a high of 121.9, still at 117.6, right? So ये आपके सामने, like this is a stock I made on, this is a video I made about few days back, 15th June को बनाया था, right? तो this is simply, मैंने आपको सब बताया था कि मैंने पहले I made up my mind. I'm going to tell you a lot of things अगर आप मुझे allow करोगे about sectors, right? So संतोष, आपने अगर Axis Bank खरीदा है, I'll tell you where do you need to exit, right? Because it has been downgraded but I don't give that much importance. Why? Because what happens, it's already discounted in the price. So अगर आपने 388 पे खरीदा है, तो you must exit at 410. अगर ये 410 को cross करता है, please exit your trade. You can take again VNC, right? So, madam, may I know what are all the screeners you provide? See, screeners provided are basically on the from the charting, and from the charting you will get to know. Basically, I don't use any moving averages. I don't use, for something I use moving averages, but not many. So you will get the charting scanners, and you will be able to filter out from them. You know, we teach you exactly what process you need to follow, right? Which stocks are in favor of buying? ये तो बहुत सारे stocks होंगे. How to avail EMI facility? So Siddesh, आप अपना phone number दे दो. My team will contact you. How to earn like Warren Buffett? So simple funda of Warren Buffett is to buy and sleep. Good stocks you buy and sleep over them, right? And I have suggested a few stocks, a few live interaction back. Anybody remembers? If you are repeating my webinar, do you remember the 2 stocks that I selected? So those who want to take up any course, please give your numbers so that my team can contact you. So anybody remembers I gave you about जब pandemic बिल्कुल शुरू हुआ था, मार्च के मिड में मैंने एक वेबिनार किया था. Do you remember the video that the 2 stocks that I suggested? Anybody remembers it? See, first target के बाद आपको stop loss लगा के रखना है. Do you remember the 2 stocks that I've given? I don't think so. यहाँ पे कोई है repeat. SBI कार्ड दिया था मैंने, and ऊर्जीवन फाइनेंस दिया था, ठीक है. टीवीएस श्री चक्रा दिया था, ये बाद में दिया था. बट मैं जो 2 स्टॉक्स की बात कर रही हूँ, जो वॉरेन बफेट का क्वेश्चन किसी ने मुझसे पूछा है, उसके लिए मैं आंसर करना चाहती हूँ. तो एक है उसमें से नेस्ले इंडिया, राइट. आई वाज टेलिंग यू हियर कि यहाँ पे पीपल आर सिटिंग टू बाय 12,000 or 13,000 पे 12,500 पे पीपल आर सिटिंग टू बाय इट, राइट. एंड आई हैव गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ टीसीएस. 2 एग्जांपल्स मैंने आपको दिए थे कि टीसीएस को यहाँ पे around 1500 people are sitting to buy it. So it's not कि अगर market गिर रहा है तो गिरता ही जाएगा. People will wait for right valuation and they will pick up, right? They will, अगर किसी के पास पैसे होंगे और उसको पता है ये stock बहुत बढ़िया है. I have posted a quote of Warren Buffett also. Buy good stocks, excellent stocks with good by cheap valuation. Not cheap stock with good valuation, right? You have to buy good stocks. The quality has to be good and the valuation has to be cheap. So when TCS is an excellent stock and it reached to a very cheap valuation, people were sitting here. Market may have gone up and down, but the stock has not gone. अगर आपने इस दिन, मैंने जिस दिन लिया था, जिस दिन ये वेबिनार लिया था ना, मुझे याद है उस दिन था कोई 13-14 मार्च था, and I told that people are waiting to buy it, and after that it has not looked back, right? This price has never come. In fact, I wanted to buy it 1500 after that and I couldn't buy it, right? So I have given you SBI card. ये इन्हीं दिनों मैंने आपको SBI card भी दिया था. If somebody remembers it, जो मुझे पढ़ाना है, I don't think so I'll be able to do that. Around same time, March, April only I've given. So look at the price. It's about 550 के करीब दिया था, और look at the price where it is. 700 के करीब आ गया, right? 1500 rupees का इसमें आपको profit हो रहा है, which is roughly about how much? Slightly less than 30%, which is not bad, right? ऊर्जीवन स्मॉल फाइनेंस इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म. इसको होल्ड करके रखो. आपको पता है वॉरेन बफेट की एनुअलाइज्ड रिटर्न क्या है? Yes, Bhavni, I know you have picked up SBI Life, SBI Card, SAIL, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. They have given 20% return. So what, ma'am, for how many? So I told you, first target के बाद आपको stop loss लगा के रखना है. Usually the stocks that I give are unidirectional stocks. What kind of stocks are they? Unidirectional stock. They are not the stocks which will go up and down. And to let you all know that I teach that in this program. Not that I teach it through this channel, and I don't take many trading sessions like pro intraday. For 6 months I do live trading, right? Every single day to begin with today's session, eager to hear from you. Okay, I will start. Tomorrow Bank Nifty will uptrend. Okay, I really have no idea what will happen. How will Apollo? I have no idea, guys. I don't like to predict. मैं पता है क्या करती हूँ? Just if you'll ask me कि ये stock ऊपर जाएगा कि नीचे, I can't tell you, because I'm not a क्या मैं बोलूँ आपको? I look at the data. मुझे चाहिए कि what is the data telling me, right? If my data tells me, data means only 2 things: neither RSI nor MACD nor moving averages, nor FIBO. Those who advocate FIBO, RSI, MACD, RSI, moving averages, they are just kind of trying to make you fool. That's it. But I don't look at any of that factor. For me, only price and the volume, right? That's the only thing that I look at. So if I don't have right now data for tomorrow, how can I tell you? I can only tell you tomorrow what's happening. How can nobody can predict trend? Like I can give you a very simple example. Hind Unilever, right? Look into Hind Unilever. And Hind Unilever was such a big candle, and next day it came down. Who can predict? Only thing is you have to understand some things, and then you can make good money. अगर ये अपने high को break करेगा, if the high is broken, then only you can expect it to go up, right? And if the high is not broken, then I mean it's just foolish to believe that this price can continue further. So anyway, let me begin what I plan to do today, and I can just start from here. So sector analysis, basically sector analysis is a very, very important analysis, right? Now I'm not taking any question. Rashid, I'll be speaking to you later, right? All the questions will be answered later. I need, if it is stop loss hit, then exit your trade, because stop loss hit ho gaya, uska matlab aapki analysis galat ho gayi. And when your analysis is incorrect, rather just come out of it. Rather than holding your losing positions, just come out of it, because nobody is God in this market, right? Everybody is human being, right? So I'm not answering any more question. I need at least half an hour to explain your sectors, because this is something nobody will explain you. Nobody will tell you exactly why, because these are all top secrets. So sector analysis is basically, I don't know how many of you noticed that yesterday IT moved, right? Look at the IT which moved, but FMCG didn't move, right? Reality didn't move, pharma didn't move, right? So what is happening basically, this is also part of index management, like there could be, these IT stocks probably were not moving good. So Friday was a turn for these to move. This is how, sectors are rotated, like it's not that one sector will continue moving in the upward direction or downward direction, right? So sectors are rotated. What are the reasons do you guys think? What could be the reasons that sectors are rotated? A lot of things, like people, probably there is a news, people are gauging about how the economy will be, not diversification, because what we see now, for example, when the pandemic started, will somebody invest in auto? No, because nobody's traveling, nobody's buying new cars. Where could people invest? Pharma, right? Pharma or tech company, online tech companies, people could invest in, right? But people will not invest in, of course, government decision makes a lot of difference to the policies. So now similarly, now we are almost heading towards the peak of the pandemic in India, or maybe there could be another wave or whatever. But what I can tell you from here, that I think we are bottomed out, probably a new kind of beginning may start. Now the sectors which could look for a revival, think about it. What could be a possible sector where you think a revival may happen? Just think about in your own ways. Pharma, okay. Pharma definitely, because hospitality. So I think hospitality will be the last sector. I would look for agriculture, basically. I would look for agriculture, because right now we are heading towards monsoons. Infrastructure I can look for. Agri, construction. I can look for these sectors, right? These fertilizers, these FMCG looks very good. So these will start reviving. Why? Because the demand will increase. And when the demand will increase, auto will probably be the last. People will go for the basic necessities, right? Chemical sector may grow because a lot of factors, right? So so different. Now, how do you decide, which sector? So I have done a bit of analysis, and I can see, I can see something that in the recent future, there is Nifty MNC looks very promising, right? So if you look at it, it's made higher highs every time. And now this barrier, if it crosses, Nifty, if you, now your job is, guys, now look at it. I'm giving you some homework. Please go back and Google what are the companies that exist in CNX MNC. Which are the companies part of this particular index, right? Green line on screeners. This is just a horizontal line. I've marked the boundary. Ki kahan pe, I just marked the high of this red candle. That's it, right? This looks good to me. IT looks pretty good to me. Energy looks very nice, right? Not energy, CPSC. No, which one was it? This, I think energy it was. Energy looks good, right? Because if it crosses this candle's high, this big candle's high, it looks to be an uptrend. IT looks very good. Look at the kind of volumes that have come on Friday, right? And also I find MNC very good and FMCG also very good, right? That's a different matter. That on Friday it came down, but there's still good probability for it to bounce back from here. So you can keep this on radar. And when you, what I have done, you know, I don't know how many of you have professional softwares. So I don't know how you guys basically maintain your portfolio. So this is my TradingView handle. So please join it here. I mean, I post my research here. I'll re-continue because I just have not done for the past few days. But हाँ, तो ये वाला मेरा आप यहाँ पे जाके you go to the people and you can search StockPro training. And when you will search StockPro training, you can follow me here. So what I'm trying to tell you here, that अगर आपके पास प्रोफेशनली है ये, आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन मेक, मैंने हर एक सेक्टर का एक वो बना रखा है, जैसे केमिकल सेक्टर में कौन कौन सी कंपनीज है, राइट, व्हिच आर द कंपनी इन केमिकल सेक्टर, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में कौन सी कंपनीज है, राइट, देन आई हैव मेड माय हियर, it doesn't have anything. Nifty MNC. Here. So these are the companies you can see idea where MNCs have voice is not clear, audio issue. Is there an audio issue? Is that so? Okay. Not good. एक second. Give me a second. I'm going to change my voice problem. Okay, fine. Right now, these are the basic, you know, companies which are part of MNC, right? All the companies where, you know, the MNCs have their share, right? You know that OFS is Oracle, right? Finance Service, or Procter and Gamble, or Emphasis. Look at all of them, look so good, right? Look at them. You know, this company, Procter and Gamble, is about to overcome this resistance, right? When it goes above this, at least you will have the first target and then next target and so on and so forth. Emphasis, right? Hanut, Cummins India. Cummins India looks so good, right? This is the barrier for it. Once this barrier is crossed, sky's the limit, right? 𝐻𝐶, SKF India, I have already given. Anybody bought SKF India? Anybody bought SKF India? I have given it on the free channel. No? So see here, I will show you, I have given it. So you know, my way of analysis is absolutely different, but I'm telling you guys, those who are new to the market, first analyze the sector, then analyze the stock. You will be in a better position, right? You will be, it's like top-down research, right? You're coming from the top to the bottom, right? So Now, investors who use sector analysis believe that certain sector of the economy perform better at different stages of the business cycle, and that identifying these sectors can help them find profitable investment, right? Of course, it does matter. And then the top-down research. So, सबसे पहले आप किसको analyze करोगे? Economy को analyze करोगे, right? When you talk about top-down research, first you look at the economy, and then you will look for which factors will influence the economy. आपको क्या लगता है आज की डेट में जहां हम खड़े हुए हैं, when we are talking about pandemic at the peak, what factors do you think? ये नहीं है कि अब मैं कल की बात कर रही हूँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ 6 महीने आगे की. आज हम जून में खड़े हैं, तो December, November, December, January, in these months, which are the sectors which are going to be benefiting most? Any idea? Any guesses? Any guesses? Right? FMCG, pharma, definitely. But people will be looking for jobs. People will be, I mean, मुझे लगता है कि ऑटो में भी एक आना चाहिए, या आइशर मोटर है जैसे ट्रैक्टर सेक्टर में आना चाहिए, है ना? और उससे भी ज्यादा मैं आपको एक चीज बताऊंगी कि न्यूज मैटर्स अ लॉट, राइट? न्यूज मैटर्स अ लॉट, राइट? अब आप कहाँ पे ढूंढोगे न्यूज इस तरह की? Where will you find the news? Where will you find the sectors? Where will you be able to follow them? So I'm going to take you to a website called IBEF, right? Please note it down. Nobody will tell you in the YouTube space because people don't even know it. This is IBEF, India Brand Equity Foundation, right? And this will provide you a lot of information. Now depend करता है, आपने let's say TV पे सुना कोई news आ रही है, and you want to check what kind of details you're looking for. The details you can come over here, right? So you have Indian economy, इसमें आपको domestic investment मिलेगा, economic survey, foreign direct investment, foreign institutional investment, India positive, all this you will, and then you have industry, right? All the industries you can look for. And what I do basically, see right now, मुझे लगता है कि एक infrastructure में जबरदस्त breakout हो सकता है आ जाए. So I would like to go here automobiles, and if I go here, you know, you will be able to read a lot of small articles about it, right? So somewhere I was reading here in the site that Union Road Transport Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari say India will be a manufacturing hub of electrical vehicle within 5 years. Now, what do you think? When are you going to invest in this company? In this, based on this news, if you believe this government has just been 1.5 years here, so what do you think? You should invest 5 years hence, or you should start investing now? Now, right? So you have to be a better informed, investor, right? You have to pick up companies with good fundamental at their inception. You cannot buy when the market is at the peak, right? All of you get, excited to buy when the stock is at its peak. People, I don't know, I was talking to one of my webinar members. I'll tell you what companies to choose. अभी मुझे जाने दो, वहां तक पहुंचने दो. So many of the people, you have to buy stock at the bottom, right, and sell it at the lower levels. हम कब buy करते हैं? जब stock यहाँ पहुंचा हुआ था, इस दिन हम लोग buy करते हैं और वो लोग exit करना शुरू कर देते हैं, right? कौन लोग? FIs and DIs. So we don't want to do that, right? Please remember, you have to always pick up companies when they are in their inception, right? When they are very, very tiny, when people don't even notice them, right? That's when you have to find them, and that's when you have to start investing in them, right? So the market always goes into the 4 cycles: bottom, bull run, market, top, and bear market. यही होता है, market का रूल यही है कि नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा, ऊपर थोड़ा समय रुकेगा, फिर ऊपर से नीचे आएगा, फिर नीचे थोड़ा समय रुकेगा, फिर नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा, राइट? मार्केट इसी तरह चलता है. तो ये नहीं है कि अगर एक स्टॉक ऊपर चला गया वो कभी नीचे नहीं आएगा. It can come down, right? Okay, I have discussed about the 4 stages, and so what happens, the sectors are churned. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आपको आज लगता है कि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर अच्छा रहेगा तो कल भी ऐसा रहेगा, नहीं होगा ऐसा, right? There will be a time, there will be a lull in the pharma sector, so at that time some other sector will boom up. The IT will boom up, or the service sector will boom up, or some other sector will give a boom, right? So as the economy move forward, different sectors of the economy tend to perform better than others. The performance of these sectors can be a factor of the stage of this business cycle, the calendar of the geographic location. So this same place I want to take you here. You can scan through this website and you can come here on the research, right? In the research, you can go to the trends, right? Or you can come to the case studies and you will see here, this is trend studies publications. Like here, there's one important news that I could see. Internet of Things, a game changer for India, right? You can read this article and think about it, what companies will benefit from this, right? But I wanted to share something else with you. I have research, and I want to go to the reports. No, there's nothing in the report. Case study, BYJU'S and publications. No, there was one thing that I have found, which I felt is pretty good. Okay, so let's go to the manufacturing industry. इंडस्ट्री में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पे जाते हैं. Manufacturing, infrastructure, manufacturing, and if you go here, manufacturing, you can read here. I think here or somewhere, go to the research and go to the trends. So here, there's this news, right? Infra sector has PVC inflows jumping, and then you have this polyester film demand in India to grow 10% in next 5 years. This is a very important information. When was this published? May 17th, right? 17th May, and you can Google which are the companies which are making polyester film, right? I Googled it. So I found these companies, and out of them, Jindal Poly Films, right? Jindal Poly Film is one of the company that I found. And you can just go back and see where does the stock sit? Is it bottomed out right now? So 17th is when the news published, right? And somewhere here we were somewhere here at this place, right? Look at the move in the stock. Cosmopoly is another stock, you're right. So what I'm trying to tell you here, if you can infer the news, interpretation of news is very important. So see here on this particular day, this is 18th, right? And look at the move after that this particular stock has got. Oh, this is May 17. Sorry. I thought when I was doing the research, I thought, but May 17 को ही देख लेते हैं, 2019 में देख लेते हैं. I'm sure उसके बाद भी movement आया होगा. May here, right? See here. But this is what I'm trying to tell you here is May यहाँ पे, right? Somewhere here. Now उसके बाद से you have to mark this place and see whether the company has a move. मतलब is the company, how's the company doing, right? It made a high of almost double the price, and when the market fell, the entire market fell, right? ये भी गिरा stock, that was fine. And किस point तक गिरा? उसी point तक गिरा है जिस point तक when the buying started, right? When the May buying started, it fell till that point only. स्टॉप लॉस कैसी बातें करते हो आप लोग? इतनी दूर तक गया, प्रॉफिट नहीं बुक करोगे जब आप देख रहे हो पैंडेमिक इज स्टार्टिंग, everything is happening, and would you not like to book your profits? Your stop loss will only hit if it goes below this price. You bought it at this place, you bought it at this place, right? I would say अगर आपको होल्ड करना है, अगर आपको लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड करना है ना, forget about this stop loss. If you know company has potential, just hold it for infinity, right? Book and get out, that's one thing, or you can just hold it for infinity, because you get a lot of other benefits along with holding a stock. You get the stock split benefit, you get the, why do you think Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, what does he do? He just picks up the stocks and hold it for years. He doesn't buy it today and sell tomorrow, right? There are ways and means by which you can counter this drop, right? Which is what I teach in my webinar, that you don't need to exit your trade. If you are a long-term buyer, just don't do that. You have ways and means to recover this in the market only when you are a long-term buyer. But otherwise, if you are a not long-term buyer, you can keep booking profits. So yahan se from 187 it went to 247. About 50 points profit or 60 points profit is about 30% move. Again, when it comes to the same price, buy it. Again, it came here. This is a very strong support because this is where the news appeared, right? See guys, आप मैं आरके फौज की क्या बात करूं, उसमें स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, एग्जिट कर लो, खत्म बात. I don't want to talk about it because जिंदगी में कभी कभी तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट होगा ना, इसमें इतना दुखी होने की क्या जरूरत है. एग्जिट योर, ये आपका 170 मैंने बोला है, ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस है. अगर ये हिट होता है तो बिल्कुल एग्जिट कर लो, यू डोंट हैव टू वेट. मेरे हिसाब से तो उसमें स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया एंड वी आर आउट ऑफ इट, राइट? प्लीज डोंट होल्ड योर स्टॉक इफ इट हिट्स द स्टॉप लॉस. कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि आई गिव सो मेनी स्टॉक्स. एक स्टॉक चला गया नीचे तो इट्स फाइन, दैट्स ओके. For long term investment, is it good? Which one? How to buy Alok Industries? अरे नहीं मिलता तो छोड़ दो भाई, बहुत अच्छे स्टॉक्स मिल जाएंगे आपको. आलोक इंडस्ट्रीज आपको नहीं मिलता है तो छोड़ दो. क्या करना है, ये मुझे इस तरह के स्टॉक्स पसंद ही नहीं है जो आप जब इसको निकलना चाहोगे ना तो आप निकल नहीं पाओगे इसमें. इट विल बी गैप डाउन गैप डाउन गैप डाउन, राइट? So I don't like to buy these stocks. So I'm not probably right person to ask about it because I don't like these stocks. These are all operator driven stocks. See, अभी मैंने एक stock दिया था मेरे students को, Omax, right? Omax Limited. And just have a look at it. ये ऐसे जा रहा है ऊपर. So I've told them every day put your stop loss because you don't know when the stock will start falling. Because this is a very manipulated, it looks very manipulated stock, right? Subros, what value are you holding it? Subros at what value? $160. So see, you have to hold it with a stop loss of 168 so that you don't lose the profit that you have made, right? And 168 पे आपको अपना stop loss लगा के रखना चाहिए daily. So I'm not going to discuss stocks right now. I just picked up because he wrote he's got a very big quantity. Okay. So what I wanted to tell you here about the sectors. And second thing, what you can also do is do your own analysis on a regular basis. Make a list of, like I made a list of brewery sector, right? Brewery में भी बहुत कुछ होता रहता है. कई बार जो है गवर्नमेंट कोई ना कोई रूल बना देती है, जैसे अभी पीछे alcohol was allowed, right? So when it made that, it's fine, you know, like we can pick up that and make money. Chemical sector for sure, you know, keeps moving up, right? Keeps showing some good returns. So Balaji Mines was beautiful breakout on the day, Camlin, Finn, right? So all these stocks, and you can have a look end of the day and find out whether you would like to enter or not, right? So you can basically, you know, एक और जगह मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी where you will get why is stock Bajaj Finance so fluctuating. मार्केट में सभी कुछ चलता रहता है. So you can come to the sector scan, right? Sector scan. End of the day, you will get this, and you can see from here which sector has moved, right? This is, I'm not right now wanting to help you with your stocks because I feel uh, I want to tell you about sectors right now because that's the whole topic today, right? So you can see over here how many advances, how many declines. So from here you can get a very, very broad perspective. Like service and IT was moving up, shipbuilding was moving up, right? Oil and gas was moving up, plastic products, power, right? Which was in red, this was miscellaneous. Okay, so somewhere here, diamond and jewelry was in red completely. Aviation was in red, alcohol was in red, right? So from here, end of the day, you can find out which sector had good movement, right? And you can prepare for tomorrow. You can prepare for tomorrow, right? So that was another thing that I wanted to show you. And I think this is what I wanted to talk about, okay, so now once you have decided about the sector, then you have to pick the best stock. So you have to have a list of all the stocks in that particular sector, right? So what are the things that you're going to look into it? You will look into the revenue, net profit, EPS, earning per share, and you're going to check price to earning ratio. You will check price to book ratio. You will check the debt to equity ratio, and that is what you will be doing to select, right? And then you can also find out return on equity, dividend yield, beta, all this. And tell me, where will you find? I'm not answering any stock related question. Can you please tell me where will you find all the factors about all these factors about a company if you're looking for? I'm giving you a website called screener.in, right? I'm giving you a company called screener.in. You will come here and type your choicest company and write it over here, right? BSE website, I don't think so. It needs user friendly hai. So for example, we came across SKF, right? SKF India. You can come here and see, the market cap, current price, high low, book value, PE, dividend yield, ROCE, ROE, sales growth, right? Pros and cons, peers, and then you can see what is happening in the sales, expenses, right? All this information you will get. I'm not doing that right now, but you get it very handy over here. And of course, NSE, BSE website, you can get the stocks. Now, for example, I was searching, okay, what are the companies? Just Google it. Your friend is Google. If you hear a big news, because if government is going to invest, it's going to be a big benefit for the industry. So e-vehicle coming bet on these 5 stocks, right? Which oh, this is September 13, 2017. It's a long old news, right? So then they said these are the 5 stocks you can look into. JBM Auto, Excite, OK Play, and whatever these numbers are. You can check how did they move in the last 3 years, right? And then similarly, you can, in case the news comes, that these are the, there could be electrical vehicle in the market. What are the companies you can pick up? Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS. So all this comes into top-down research. You first pick the information which is about, government planning to invest in the e-vehicle. Then you go to the sector, then you look for the companies, and then you select out of them the best company based on ROE, ROC, P by E, all those factors. You pick up the best company, and after that, you find out which is at the bottom, and then you pick your stock. No, so you have to be abreast with the news. And I told you the fastest way to get the news is over here. IBEF. You don't have to wait for news to be, this will take almost immediately. It gets updated very fast. So you don't have to wait for ages to get the news. So that was all about sectors. And I hope that might help you in just deciding about the stocks that you want to invest in, right? And this is about my the course which is upcoming, which is the Smart Money Multiplier course. I don't know how many of you would like to be interested, because I feel being an informed, investor is very, very important. And a lot of things we teach here, this course is for the people from the beginner to the advanced level. And it also covers the aspects of intraday, cash and FNO, positional trading, complete insight of price action strategy for understanding upcoming market move, and understanding of Nifty and its correlation sectors. This is what we'll be teaching in this. So this is the course which is about to come up, right? Smart Money Multiplier, right? Uh, how will you be able to avail this course? So this is online. This is absolutely online. You can do it. It takes me about 1 month to make you understand, and then you can practice it over there. At least 2 parts of it you can definitely be able to practice even when you are selling. One is the option selling, the other is positional trading. Intraday you may not be able to do, right? And before anybody want to give their number for my team to contact, just please do that. Huh? And then how much does the charges to attend this course? So course charges you can check on the website as well. Here is this 35,000, right? You have the EMI option also, and we have highly accurate calls to help you recover your fee, because I really don't like the idea of recovery of fee, because I feel that's very, very narrow and small. But I still would suggest, in case you feel that you're spending money, so how will you get back? So all the calls that I give will be able to help you, right? And then detailed analysis of option buying and selling strategies used by top option sellers, right? Like I'm going to teach you some secrets of candlestick pattern which I never heard in the stock market, right? But you will be getting it from me. The stocks, like the ones I give, are basically based on these candlestick pattern only. Course classes will be available in both languages, in English and Hindi. StockPro setup for intraday and positional. So positional you have seen on the YouTube, but how do you use it to get money? That's what I will be teaching. And intraday setup is something very, very special, right? Detailed analysis of option buying and selling. Live trading with StockPro mentors to sharpen your. Before you guys leave, we will be having at least 2 to 3 sessions, upcoming sessions in the coming week, right? At least 2 to 3 sections that we'll be having in the coming week. So please join in case you want to understand what kind of live trading session we do, so that you get real good idea, right? And then 4 weeks of intense live classes hongi, and then you will be mentored and there will be live trading sessions. You will be mentored in the live classes. Access to StockPro's Rockstar and all premium groups from the very first day you join. So our course will begin on 10th of June to 10th of July now. So when you join, the day you join, you start getting these accesses, and plus 3 more months, right? So you get that extra time. 6 months live support. Members will be part of StockPro's forum. You will repeat the code. You can repeat within next 6 months. You can repeat it if you want. And of course, there will be some customized scanners, which one click you will be able to find out the stocks which will be having a breakout. And you can be certified trader, but you have to give a lot of work to be a certified trader, because I'm the certified, SEBI certified and ISO certified trainer. Post completion of the course, StockPro online will be provided, but that only when you do a certain amount of work. You give it to us. Okay, so our next course is starting from the 10th of July. So anything you have in mind regarding the course, you can ask. Timing of the course is about from 7 to 8:30. So see, now when you are holding something from 75% down, I can't ask you to exit it. So continue holding it. If we had to exit, we had to exit before. If we have not exited, then we just continue holding, because there is no point. You don't want to lose 75%. आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो 10 साल में कभी तो बढ़ेगा पैसा, है ना? Which course is for 2nd July. No, 10th July second. This course is from 10th July. There's nothing on the second week of July, basically. It'll be from 7 to 8:30 in the evening, and the live trading will be in the live market hours. Rockstar group is basically from StockPro members only. They give the trades, but you have to do a webinar, then only you will be part of the group. So that will be taught in the class webinar, live webinar. Let's talk. Pal, please, if possible. Can I join after 10th July also? So a day or two, not more than that, right? Not more than that. एक दो दिन आगे पीछे, but अपना आप लोग फोन नंबर दे दो जिसको चाहिए, जिसको कॉल बैक चाहिए, they can give me a phone number. So above this it will go up, but below this it may correct. What about live trading sessions? They will happen in the live timings only. And abhi we are planning next week. Next week we'll at least be having 2-3 live trading sessions. Thank you. Love my calls. Okay. Best course for positional trading. Thank you, Supriya. So anything else you guys have to ask, please ask. We're almost done with whatever I needed to share. And if you want to share your phone number, please do that. Thank you, Gaurav. Live trading session is not separate. It's part of the course only, right? Part of the course. There are 3 parts of the course. So it's part of the course. It's not separate. Fees is same. Fees is same only, 35,000. And जो live trading हम free करते हैं, वो free होता है. उसमें हम आपको reason नहीं देते हैं, but we do basically, yeah, you will get the call. All right, so that's about it. Weekly, monthly, periodically, stocks to short training, it will be helpful. All right, thank you, take care. Anybody who wants to get in touch with my team, you have the phone numbers, please do that. Or you give me your phone number here, they will get back to you. Bye-bye, take care. Take care, bye-bye.